Welcome to my channel Coach IQ. Today we do economics, that is development, and in that we speak about Human Development Report and the World Development Report. Now, how do we classify countries? Whether they are rich, whether they are poor, whether they are developed, developing. The World Bank has got one report, that is the World Development Report, which classifies the countries on the basis of only one criteria, and that is the per capita income or the PCI, that is the short form of per capita income. Now, countries whose per capita income is US dollars 12056 or more than that come under the category of rich countries. This is your 2017 analysis. Those countries whose per capita income is again US dollars 955 or less, they come in the low income countries. What about India? India comes in the low income category but the middle low income category. India's PCI in 2017 was 1820 US dollars. So we come in that category. So countries according to the World Development Report are classified on the basis of PCI. But you exclude those countries, they are called developed countries, these rich countries. But exclude the Middle Eastern countries and your small countries. Even if they come in this category of high PCI, that is 12056 US dollars, they are not considered developed. Now, if you take your Middle Eastern countries, their PCI is extremely high, but then too they are not in the developed category because their source of income is only oil. There may not be development in the other sectors. So you don't really call them developed countries. So this we speak about the World Development Report, which only looks into PCI, that is the economic aspect of a country, the economic development. Doesn't look into other factors like health or education. It doesn't consider these aspects for development. We also have the United Nations Development Program, which has brought out the Human Development Report, which classifies countries also on the basis of developed or developing. Now, the Human Development Report is very different from the World Bank report because the Human Development Report looks into three aspects: the per capita income, the education, and the health aspects to classify countries as developed or developing. The Human Development Report prepares an index which is called the Human Development Index and gives a ranking to the countries on the basis of these criteria. Per capita income is the total income of the country, which you divide by the total population. In health, they look into the life expectancy rate, infant mortality rate. For education, they look into your literacy rate of a country. And taking all these aspects into consideration, the Human Development Index is formed, and the comparison right now is amongst 188 countries. India's ranking in this index is 130. So 130 is our ranking in the Human Development Index, and the country which is the first one is Norway. So you see the World Bank report and you also see the Human Development Report. Now think about the differences. The World Development Report brought out by the World Bank, and this is by the UNDP, United Nations Development Program. The World Bank report only looks into per capita income to classify countries. The Human Development Report looks into per capita income, health, and educational aspects. The World Development Report looks into the economic development, whereas your Human Development Report looks into your economic as well as the human development aspect, and that is very clear by the prefix human attached to it. The World Development Report, India comes in the low middle income countries, and in the HDI ranking of Human Development Report, we are 130. I really hope this topic has become clearer, and if you have any queries, please post them in the comments below, and do like the video, share it with your friends and classmates, and subscribe to my channel to continue studying with Coach IQ.